Welcome students. In this video we learn what is MySQL, what is SQL and types of SQL commands. MySQL. MySQL is an open source RDBMS that stores, manages bulk data. It works based on client-server architecture. It is developed by Michael Wagnes in 1995. How MySQL works. Suppose this is a client, this is a server. Client is front-end process where user can write their queries and send to the server as a request, whereas server is a back-end process that user cannot see. It processes the client's request and send result as a response. Suppose select asterisk from book is a statement written in SQL language that sends to the MySQL server. Server read the statement, process it and send result to the client screen. SQL. It is fourth generation non-procedural language embedded in every RDBMS that enable to communicate between client and server. It is initially developed by IBM in early 1970s. Types of SQL commands are data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, transaction control language, session control language, and system control language. In this video tutorial, we learn only first two, that are data definition language and data manipulation language. Data definition language. It is the part of SQL that allow a database user to create, restruct or delete data objects such as creation or the deletion of table, views, index, etc. Suppose in the table employee, the command affect the definition of the table are called DDL commands, means data definition language commands, such as create, alter, drop, rename, etc. Data manipulation language. DML is the part of SQL used to manipulate data within objects. Suppose in the table employee, the command effects on the table data are called DML commands, such as insert, update, delete. So here I am winding up this video lecture. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.